Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PayPal to bank account. So first step is sign into your PayPal app and then tap on the transfer button on your dashboard. From there, select transfer to your bank and pick which linked bank account should receive the money. Next is type the amount and choose standard. So there's free, which is it will arrive 1 to 3 business days. Or you can also pick instant, which you will have a small fee and it's about 30 minutes. Next is check the amount, fee, and destination. And then tap on transfer now to send the money. And lastly is a green check mark and transaction ID confirm the transfer was sent successfully. So just a pro tip, you can save the transaction ID, which will PayPal support needs it to trace any missing payouts. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.